Hi everyone, my name is Alexey. I am Quality Assurance Architect and IT Mentor. Welcome back to the Helpful Software Architecture book review, when I share my notes in a single slide for each chapter. We are starting. In this video, we deep dive into Chapter 2, Architecture Characteristics. First, let's understand the context of architectural characteristics. The chapter describes the first architectural dimension, which is crucial for understanding how different elements of architecture come together to form a cohesive system. Unlike coding or UI design, architecture requires careful planning and consideration from the very beginning. The popular agile iterative approach, although effective for many development tasks, falls short when it comes to analyzing architectural characteristics. Why is that? It's because these characteristics need to be established from the start. If you try to retrofit them later, you might face significant challenges, including the risk of having to redo large parts of your system. Although any application can theoretically support a vast number of characteristics, the architect's job is to prioritize and minimize these characteristics. Why is this important? Let's break it down. First, complexity in standardizing terms can arise if you have too many characteristics. Second, dependencies among characteristics can complicate the architecture. Finally, redundancy can creep in, leading to inefficiencies. Now let's delve into the differences between explicit and implicit characteristics. Explicit characteristics are those explicitly stated in the requirements. For example, a requirement might state that the system should support high availability. Implicit characteristics, on the other hand, are not explicitly stated but are assumed. Take security, for example. No stakeholder will explicitly demand that the application should be secure. It's a given. But understanding these implicit needs requires deep, domain-specific knowledge. There are numerous characteristics often referred to as ilities, but no universal standard for categorization exists. However, the authors provide their own useful classification. Process architectural characteristics. These lie at the intersection of development and architecture, reflecting decisions made during the development process. Examples include modularity, how the system is divided into components; testability, how easily the system can be tested; agility, how quickly the system can adapt to changes; extensibility, how easily new features can be added; deployability, how smoothly the system can be deployed. Structural architectural characteristics. These influence the internal structure of the application, such as security, protecting the system against threats; maintainability, how easily the system can be maintained; extensibility, adding new capabilities with minimal changes; portability, moving the system to different environments; localization, adapting the system for different languages and regions. Operational architectural characteristics. These are related to decisions impacting the operations team: availability, ensuring the system is up and running; recoverability, how quickly the system can recover from failures; robustness, the system's ability to handle stress and errors; scalability, the ability to grow and handle increased load. Cross-cutting architectural characteristics. These are mixed characteristics affecting various parts of the system. Security, again, a crucial characteristic that cuts across many areas. Privacy, protecting user data. Accessibility, ensuring the system can be used by people with disabilities. Usability, making the system easy to use. So, where do you find these architectural characteristics? As an architect, you need a profound understanding of domain-specific problems. You must analyze the environment in which you work and understand the business problems you're trying to solve. For example, it can be a startup in the tourism domain, aiming to generate revenue quickly. This scenario demands specific architectural characteristics, tailored to fast-paced growth and scalability. Finally, a useful recommendation is to choose no more than 7 characteristics. This advice stems from research indicating that people struggle to remember more than this number. By focusing on a manageable set of key characteristics, you ensure clarity and effectiveness in your architectural planning. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to the channel for more content regarding software development and architecture. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.